today's video, we're going to make an aircraft engine repair stand using this, only this. Right now, we're going to estimate the height of it, like that. Then we're going to start the build. This is a cheap scratch build using only bamboo skewers used in barbecue. Whatever. Now we're going to assemble the skewers by using super glue. Alright. There. A little bit glue here. There. Make sure it's in the right angle. Here we are going to glue the side small pieces of bamboo skewers. This project is very cheap. You can find the materials everywhere. It's just recycled, whatever things you can find. Now it's time to glue the other side of it. There, like there. Make sure it sticks well. Here's the finish. I'll just sand it to make it more smooth and to make the surface looks good. Here's the result. Now I'm adding some support using some tiny sticks, whatever they call this thing. I just found it outside. Tiny glue. Now I'm installing the support. There. See? It's getting in shape now. For the other side. By the way, this engine repair stand is for my 1:72 scale diorama, airbase diorama. Now this is the finish. I add the top railings, support, side support. See? Now I'm using this wooden matchbox for the top platform. Now time to paint it. Here I just mix enamel paints, flat white and some gloss yellow and a little bit of flat black to create the, I think, the olive green color. Just brush painting it. See? Just need another coat since this paint is not coloring well the whole structure, and I can still see the wooden color of it. Now here's the result. I'm gluing the platform where the mechanics can stand and service the engine of the aircraft here. Yes, there it goes. Make sure it's centered. Almost done. By the way, here's the finish. Off camera, I'm just put a little wheels and a little bit of weathering. I use Lego studs for the tiny wheels. Got it off and put it there, glue it there. See? Hope you enjoyed this build. Now I'm putting it in the 1:72 airbase Diorama next to my BBY Catalina flying boat. Now, here's some outdoor photos for you to enjoy. Hope you like my video, guys. If you like it, please like, share, give a thumbs up, and subscribe. See you guys on my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.